This is the Under the Sea Jigsaw book. My 3-year-old loves puzzles, so I bought this for her. It's $14.99. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 puzzles in each book. And I don't know if you could see it, but one of the puzzle pieces is in a different shape. So this one is in the shape of a seashell. There's the dolphin. This one's a dolphin. There's the seahorse right there. And there's the shark piece. There's the fish. And there's the starfish. So as your child goes through it, you can just take apart the pieces. And under the puzzles is the actual picture. So, they can just match it up. So, right there. It can be easy for them if they just match up the pictures. My 3-year-old though, I think it confuses her. I don't think she's used to seeing the pictures under. She just likes seeing the pieces. So I guess if your 3-year-old is like mine, I don't know, for some reason having this in the background just confuses her more because she's not able to see the actual pieces, So, they can always just do the puzzles separately if they're better off, just seeing the outline of the shapes and how it fits together instead of staying with this template. So that's always an option. And the nice thing is, because it's inside the book, it's easy to put away. You can just put the puzzles back into the book and it comes back neatly, That's nice.